This is T-Mobile Home Internet. They're going to assign the service to your home address. Since it is using the cellular network, you can basically take it anywhere you want as long as there are signals. In this video, I'm going to set this up and try to use it in my RV. To power this up, I was using the PD USB-C port. You could also use the 110 outlet with the power adapter. There are simple instructions on an app to walk you through how to set up the connection. Let's connect to the Wi-Fi and start streaming. I also went for a short drive and make sure the connection was stable.
I rest my case. Good. Did you have fun? You have no idea what you're talking about. Now come on.
It is going to cost $30 a month if you already have your cell plan with T-Mobile. We have had something like this for business travelers. The mobile hotspot solution requires you to buy an expensive 4G or 5G device. You do have the options to rent it. On top of it, you will have to buy a separate data plans, which is kept around 14 gigabytes or something close to it. With T-Mobile Home Internet plan, there's no data cap. I do believe they will start degrading your service after certain points, but I think the limit is a bit higher. And this device comes with the T-Mobile Home Internet service for free. However, if you cancel your home internet plan and you fail to return the gateway, you will be charged for $370. I used to use a separate cell phone with a data-only SIM card to share the internet, but there are few drawbacks. First of all, it has a 5 GB data cap. It cost me $20 per month for the data-only SIM card. It only costs $10 more for the home internet service. A hotspot from a cell phone may not be very stable. It can disconnect you from various reasons. It could be because your connection has been idle for some time. It could also be because it couldn't handle multiple streaming connections at the same time. There's one more thing you cannot do with your cell phone hotspot. If you're trying to set up security cameras inside or outside of your RV, some security camera base stations require an internet port which your phone cannot supply. For security camera, I know a lot of people like Ring, but I prefer Allo because a monthly service plan is optional. An internet connection is required between your security camera base station and your router. The camera itself is powered by rechargeable batteries, and they operate wirelessly without any cable setup needed. You can find many different types of camera mount on Amazon. For demo purpose, I just stick the cameras on the doors. With the T-Mobile Home Internet connections, I got notified whenever there's an action detected. Let me know on the comment sections if you'd like to know more details about security camera setup. We can address it on a different video. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.